The diagram shows 3 identical circles inside a rectangle. Each circle touches the other 2 circles and the sides of the rectangle as shown in the diagram. The radius of each circle is 24 millimeters. Work out the area of the rectangle, give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So we know that the area of a rectangle is the length multiplied by the width. So given as we know the radius of each circle, we know that this length here is going to be 24, this will also be 24, this will be 24, and this will also be 24. So we know that the length equals 24 times 4, which simply gives us 96, so the length is 96 millimeters. And in order to work out the width, I'm going to need this distance here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw lines connecting the centers of each circle. And given that we know that this is 24 and this is 24, and this is also 24 and this is 24, and this is 24 and this is 24, this is an equilateral triangle. That means that this angle here is 60 degrees, this angle 60, and this angle here is also 60. So I know that this length here is 48 millimeters. And so if I want to work out this distance, this vertical distance, I can use trigonometry. So I'm going to draw up my triangle. So I know that this angle here is 60 degrees, this length here is 48 millimeters, and we want to work out this length, so I'm going to call that y. And so using trigonometry, we have our opposites and we have our hypotenuse. So I'm going to use sine. So I know that sine of my opposite angle, sine of 60, equals y over 48. Therefore, y equals 48 multiplied by sine 60. And remember, we also know that this distance here is the same as the distance from our center to this point on the rectangle, which is our radius. So I know that this distance here is 24 millimeters, as is this distance right here, which is also 24 millimeters. Therefore, y total equals 24 plus 48 sine 60 plus 24. And so that simplifies to 48 plus 48 sine 60, and that represents my width. So the area equals 96, which is my length, multiplied by 48 plus 48 sine 60. And when you put that into your calculator, that gives you 8,598.645061, which gives you 8,600 millimeters squared to 3 significant figures. So your final answer is 8,600 millimeters squared.